work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you. And it's twisted you can
Udah nyampe guys. Setelah huru hara yang nggak tahu artinya, udah sampai guys ini dia guys. Dan mereka lewat nggak tahu pastinya di mana. Ini mama ditinggalkan, anak bersama. Ini Forza Roma, Arif. Setelah huru hara, kata Kak Tina kan, hujan-hujan ku ajar ya kata Kak Tina. Lapar kali ini, lapar.
I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? 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 Then will you get bored of killing me?
Nih guys, anak Roma guys, Forza Roma. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Balik lagi di channel apa? Ngerekam lah deh. Kami udah sampai nih guys. guys, bakar-bakarnya belum siap apinya guys. Tan. Ini mama boboho yang huru hara nggak jadi, antara enggak. Karena memikirkan rumah mau banjir guys. Tapi siapa tuh Berti? Si orang atau siapa? Tahu kan?
Ayu.
Oh mak. Ayu tan namanya tan. Nampak emang ikan ini ya, macam Paris dah. Apa pasangan soalnya kalau nakan apa nggak bengkak terus?
Mati dong gitu kan?
Untuk barang ada di dalam. Guys, banyak nih guys.
Kemarin rencana nggak liburan karena hujan banjir ya? Mana?
Pan api nggak selesai ya guys. Ini pawangnya nggak jelas juga pawangnya nih. Semua udah kami masukin. Karet gitu banyak nggak hidup juga. Orang ini lagi baca doa hidupin api. Cepatlah, lapar kali nih Ardi nih Andi. Jam 6:30 udah dikejar orang, suruh bangun. Ibu bosnya, mama boboho. Itu terus ditutupkan terus. Peserta yang lapar 1, 2, 3. Sahabat yang awet inilah cuman, yang lain tak kemana-mana, nggak bisa semua.
Halo guys, semangat. Kembali lagi channel Bang Tikam. Kali ini kita lagi berada di Kuala Lega, Aceh Timur. Tepatnya di Perlak. Kali ini bersama teman seperjuangan dan keluarga Romanisti Aceh Tamiang. Kami mendatangi pantai Kuala Lega. Walaupun keadaan cuaca sedang sangat tidak baik, hujan terus panjang jalan, gawat. Sini ada Arif Romanisti dari Sriwijaya dan ada Ardi back langganan Romanisti dan istrinya Intan. Semangat guys, gak berubah muka. Selanjutnya ini dia adalah orang dapurnya yang paling semangat untuk pergi kemari karena kemarin tidak diajak ke pantai. Hahaha. Oke guys, sekarang kita lanjut mengawasi bibir pantai Kuala Lega, Aceh Timur, Perlak. Bagaimana keindahan bibir pantai Kuala Lega di saat kondisi hujan deras, baru siap hujan, jadi airnya agak naik sedikit nih guys. Bisa dilihat guys, bibir pantai pun udah nggak ada lagi pantainya, tapi yang namanya laut tetap indah guys, apalagi pergi dengan orang tersayang. Si Nyonya makan petai, saatnya ke pantai.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking.
Jangan lupa subscribe, like, and share.
Hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns.